The mini meet and greet was fun. Thanks for coming out. One time for the fans.